My name is Jack Taylor. I'm a Black River Falls graduate of the class from 2009.
My name is Terrence Talley, and I was here to do an assembly today.
My expectation for today was just to add value to these students' lives. You know, that was my only thing. My only agenda today was to be helpful to the students. And even if I made an impact on one student out of the 500 kids, it was a good day.
The whole purpose of the assembly is to let students know that they matter and that no matter what's going on in their life, not to give up. And so the goal is when students walk out of here, that they just know, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that they are loved and they are cared about.
My name is Aislinn Crawford and I'm in 9th grade.
My name is Michael T. Shepard and I am the high school history and economics teacher.
My name is Chloe Olson and I'm in grade 9.
That Terrence's message was like that you're not alone, like people love you, like no matter what, like you have people that are like that care for you. And for Jack's message, I think it was just like work hard for like what you want.
I think that they gave off like how we can be ourselves, I guess, and how we shouldn't be afraid to express what we're interested in and who we are.
I've enjoyed them. The one that definitely had an impact on me, so much so that I can't remember his name, but was the dad hugger. I feel really bad because I literally do not remember his name, but I remember his message. And it's one thing that I have wished for years is that I could give a kid a hug when they needed one. And up until that presentation, I'd only hugged one kid in my time here, and it was right after her grandma died. She turned around and just gave me a hug, and I remember just going, this is weird. But I loved his message. I absolutely loved his message. Bring Terrence Talley back. I liked him. Or just like have dad hug day. Or just see in the hallway just like people walking around hugging each other, where it's not weird, it's just like the day. Because if I walk up and just hug someone, that's gonna be weird. Like, hey, good job today, and just give them a hug, people are gonna be like, why are you touching me? But if there's like a purpose to it, I think that would be really cool.